that I'm going to get it fast. Mumumi, hey, did you know that I've been watching back to my channel. It's your girl Abi Special as usual. Yeah, so if this is the first time you're seeing this face on your screen, thank you for clicking. Please consider subscribing. I promise you, you're not gonna regret it. And if you're returning, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys at the best. Yeah, so please, in case you see me touching my hair, I'm used to touching my hair. If you've been watching my video ever since I made this hair, you know that my hands are always on my hair. Yeah, so today's video I'm going to be talking about YouTube, things I wish I had known before starting YouTube, or things I have done wrongly doing YouTube. Yeah, so the number one thing I'm going to talk about is not being consistent. When I started YouTube, I just post whenever I feel like posting, and I'll be there waiting like, oh, don't worry, very soon you will get there, very soon you will get there. I was hyping myself without putting in any work into it. Yeah, and also another mistake I made starting YouTube was not knowing about thumbnails, tags, end screens, cards, all these things. I never knew about them. What I do is I just upload videos like that without any tag, without any what's it called, end screen, without thumbnail. I just post videos like that, and I felt reluctant about it before someone that was so kind enough chatted me up, and she was like, okay, I love your videos, but these are what you're not doing right. You don't put thumbnails, you don't add tags to your video, because she was using an app that can help you see other YouTubers tag, and she was like, you don't use thumbnail, you don't add tags to your video, there is no card, you don't link your old videos in your description box. Even your description box, sometimes you leave it empty. How do people contact you if they find anything interesting and they want to talk to you about it? How do people contact you and all that? I was like, oh really? Then how? Because normal I see YouTube thumbnails, I'll see people uploading 5 thumbnails. I'll be like, how did these people do this thing? But man, I was reluctant. I never knew, oh, this is part of the YouTube business. I was like, they are just doing it for fun, that it was not relevant. I feel I'm the most stupidest person to think that way. Yeah, the next thing I'm going to talk about is the watch hours and the subscriber count. Yeah, I think I actually got my first 1,000 subscribers very early, not that early, because I think then when I started my channel, I was doing more of facial stuffs and all that, and people were watching, but I don't even know what entered me that made me stop. Honestly, when your village people is following you, that's how it is. I don't know what entered me, I just stopped. And the funniest part of it is, you know, when you're checking your what is it called, because then, you know, now when your body is hot, you want to start eating YouTube money. And I went and checked online how to get monetized on YouTube. They were like, oh, you have to get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I was like, oh, 4,000 watch hours, that's very easy, that I'm going to get it fast. Mumumi, hey, did you know that I've been watching my watch hours in minutes, and I was feeling myself that, oh, my watch hours is complete. I'm coming. Let me check. Let me show you something. Like, there are some things that when I sit down to think today, I just laugh at myself. I'm like, Abi, did you really make this mistake? Like, really? You made this mistake. Okay. I'm trying to show you guys something. Analytics, yeah. This is what I normally use to monitor my channel, just YouTube Studio. Like, that was what I focus on. So coming to watch minutes, you know, yes, there's this place, last 28 days, last 7 days, lifetime, last 365 days. That's how I'll do last 365 days. The first time I checked it, I had like 50,000 plus, and I was like, why have they not monetized me now? I have 50,000 plus watch hours. Why have they not monetized me? And you know, the stupid me is written watch time bracket minutes. I did not check minutes. All my mind is they are counting the hours for me like that. I was like, I have up to 50,000. Why am I not monetized yet and all that? Not knowing that that 50,000 was in minutes. I was like, really? And I've been fooling myself that I have watch hours. A minute silence for my stupidness or my stupidity. Okay, another mistake I made again on YouTube was posting short videos. Like posting videos of 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 4, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. I even went as low as 1 minute video. There was a time I used to post 2 minutes video. And come to think of it, not everybody watch your video from the beginning to the end. So if they watch small, how will the hours be counting? When you have 2 minutes video and you don't have a lot of people watching it, definitely your watch hours will be crawling. Like, it's just be crawling, it's not be moving fast. I was like, God, I'm sure I'm not going to quit YouTube. And again, another stupid thing I was thinking about the 4,000 watch hours stuff was, I was thinking the 4,000 watch hours is like, since you started your, what is it called, your channel. I never knew it was, it calculated like the last 12 months. I was thinking it's since you started your channel. So when I started my channel, I think after 3 months, I stopped for no reason, no good reason. I stopped. Like 4 months again, I came back. I posted again. I used to post sometimes once a week, sometimes once in 2 weeks. After that time, I stopped and I went again for like 7 months. Oh my God. I wish I had known that, the 4,000 watch hours they were talking about is in the last 12 months, which is in the last 1 year. I would have taken this thing seriously. Like, oh my God, I just pray. I know I don't feel someone can make that kind of mistake right now. I don't feel anybody can make that kind of mistake right now. But I don't know what I was thinking, or I was that naive to think, it's just for the whole time you started your channel. I never knew it was for 12 months, and I was just there fooling myself, saying, I have to so watch hours, I have to so watch minutes, I have to so watch minutes. And another thing I never knew again is, at first, even before I knew about YouTube Studio, it was like, I think 6 months into YouTube, that was when I knew, you can actually monitor your channel and see how you're doing. All my mind was, you just be uploading video. Then when you have the 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will just message you and tell you, okay, it's time to get monetized, baby. Like, it's actually funny saying it now, but then it was not funny. Like, I was just so stupid, like, to just see that and think, you just upload, and YouTube will text you one day and say, okay, it's now that you can now do this thing. Even for me to upload thumbnails, I never knew you have to be, at least verify with a number and all that. I was like, how do I upload thumbnail? How do I upload thumbnail? I went to YouTube and now searched for videos, because I don't really have friends around me that are doing YouTube that I can just easily walk up to and say, okay, please, can you explain this for me? Can you explain this for me? I just had to go through YouTube and search YouTube. I tried. At least after watching like 4 or 5 videos, I was able to get it. Then I had to like verify, and I was like, how do they put it? Partially partner. How do they put that their grammar? Partially partners with YouTube, and I started uploading thumbnail. I had to go back and start doing thumbnail for my old videos. I had to start doing thumbnail for them and upload them. The ones I can put tag, I put tag. The one I don't know how to put. Even when somebody told me about tag, I was thinking, it's like social media, Facebook, that if you want to tag your friends, you just start mentioning their names, start tagging them. I never knew that tags is like saying, like, tagging things, like the content in your video. Like, if you're talking about hair, you can just do, under your tags you have hair, how to make your hair, how to style your hair, my hair journey. I never knew it was stuff like that. I was busy tagging. I was putting some YouTubers' name under my tags. I was like, God. When I later knew about tags and all that, I was like, man, AB, you've been stupid. But in all, I want to say, at least thank God for civilization. Thank God I learned early, not early, I learned late, because by now I feel I shouldn't be struggling with 68 views, 20 views, 30 views. If I had been consistent when I started my channel, I'm sure by now I would have been somewhere higher. But nevertheless, thank God we are pushing, and we still keep pushing till when we finally get there. Yeah, so if you're planning on starting YouTube, please don't make the same mistake I made. And if you're already in the YouTube journey, please try to be consistent. Watch other YouTubers, see what they are doing. If there's anything you want to learn from them, you can chat them up. If they don't answer you, watch the video and think of how to improvise it in your head and all that. Yeah, so that's all for today. If there's any question, if there's any video suggestion you have in mind, drop it down in the comment section, because man, I also need video ideas. If there's any video ideas, drop it down in the comment section. If there's anything I'm not doing right that you feel I should change, drop it down in the comment section. And also, if you watch to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, share, turn on the notification, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, I see you guys in my next one. That will be tomorrow. You know, we are still in our 30 days challenge, so we have to be posting every day. Any day I don't post, people should come and beat me in my house. You should come and beat me in my house. I have to be posting every day for these 30 days straight. Yeah, so see you guys in my next one. Bye. I love you. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you. Like, you guys are making me smile, and I'm happy about that. Thank you very, very much. Bye.